to know who viewed your feature collection on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to confirm who has viewed your feature collection on Facebook. If you have already created a feature collection and you are curious about how many people have seen it and who those viewers are, this guide is just what you need. And here is what you need to do. You simply need to open the Facebook app. Make sure that you are logged in with your Facebook account. Once you are inside the Facebook app, simply tap on the profile icon and you will be guided to your profile section. Scroll down to the feature collection section and select the collection you want to check. Tap on the collection and then click on view section. If someone has viewed a collection, the information will appear here. However, if you see message like no views yet, it means no one has viewed that feature collection. Once people start viewing it, their names and profile image will be displayed. And that's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.